Unlock the power of your Nikon D3500 by seamlessly moving your video masterpieces to your phone for instant sharing and on-the-go editing. First, let's explore the magic of Nikon's SnapBridge app. Your wireless gateway. Head to your D3500's menu, navigate to the Setup tab, and find Network Settings. Select Bluetooth and turn it on now on your smartphone. Download and open the SnapBridge app. Follow the on-screen prompts to pair your camera by selecting your D3500 from the list of available devices. Once connected, you'll be able to not only transfer photos, but also your videos directly to your phone. Within SnapBridge, you have the option to choose auto download for photos, but for videos, you'll typically access them by tapping the camera icon in the app. Browse your recorded videos and tap the download icon next to the ones you wish to transfer. Keep in mind that large video files take a bit longer. For a more robust transfer, especially for longer or higher resolution videos, a USB cable is your reliable friend. Ensure both your camera and phone are powered off. Connect your D3500 to your smartphone using a compatible USB cable. You might need an OTG adapter for your phone. Once connected, power on your camera and then your phone. Your phone should recognize the camera as an external storage device, allowing you to browse and copy your video files. On your smartphone, open your File Manager app, locate the connected camera, and navigate to the DCIM folder where your videos are stored. Select the video files you want to transfer and copy them to your phone's internal storage or SD card. This method offers a direct and often faster transfer for substantial video content. With your videos now on your phone, you're ready to unleash your creativity with mobile editing apps and share your cinematic moments with the world instantly.